guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mega High-Tech Systems and you are on to Learn with Isaac Benson. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert an MP4 video to MP3. So all you need to do is go to your Google browser and type free convert. Using this particular website to convert MP4 videos into MP3. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe by pressing the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see. And also, please do like and share this video so that others can also benefit from it. All right, let's dive into what we have for today. Convert MP4 to MP3. All right, now what you do when you open this, go to your Google and type on this. It's going to take you to this particular platform. So you click on choose file. So you make sure that if you're using your computer, make sure that the file you want to convert, the MP4 video you want to convert, is in your device. So we go on choose files from device. So you go to the particular place where your file is situated. Mine is in my download, so I'll go to download. Okay, I want to convert this particular video. This video is in MP4 format, so I'll click on it by selecting and I'll click on open. So it's going to open on this platform. So wait for it to open. All right, we have it there. So I will click on convert. Okay, let's wait for it to be uploaded. All right, it has uploaded. Look at it. This is a particular file. It's in MP4 format, so I want to convert to MP3. So I'll click on convert. If you want to use this particular platform often, you can go ahead and sign up to this platform so that you can always have access to the platform. All right, as you can see, is uploading. You see that it has finished uploading and is converting. So just wait for the process to complete. So it is done. So once it's done, what you do now is you go ahead and download. Now you can save to your device. So I'll go ahead and download this to my device. So it has downloaded. Look at it here. So it's downloading to my device. So just have to be patient and wait for it to complete the process. All right, now I'll go over to where it is that been downloaded to. As you can see, this is the MP3 file. Look at the MP4 file which I converted, and now I've got in my MP3 file. All right, guys, if you gain value on this particular tutorial, please do share and like my video.